Hello friends, today my video is about stylish mobile cover. Phones these days are so thin and so light that they're not very durable. Certainly nothing like the indestructible. A case adds much needed extra bulk so your phone doesn't break or bend. Stylish mobile cover is an affordable prevention solution in comparison to having to repair your phone. It will also save the cost of having to buy another phone as your current one is more durable. Dress and carried no handbag, but instead held in her hand a phone case styled as a tiny version of the classic monogram trunk, complete with studded edging and a miniature gold lock. This trend is about life, not just fashion. And the escalating importance of how our phones look reflects the fact that the phone is as much a part of our visual world as our functional one. The mirror selfie, the dominant photographic meme of our time, puts the phone case in position. Stylish mobile cover is made with premium rubberized texture, which gives the added protection and makes gripping phone very easy. Shell case cover has a built-in kickstand for hands-free viewing in both horizontal or vertical angles, giving the freedom to view content on phone any way want. Included with case is a holster belt clip. With optional swivel and a sturdy locking mechanism to always keep the phone safe in place exactly where want to, can easily be removed from holster without removing it from the cover, giving the freedom to use it, without giving up protection at all times. Flip open folio or wallet cover usually includes a shell-type case inside that offers basic all-round protection. Stylish mobile cover will be in one piece and they are typically made of genuine leather, traditionally handcrafted with detailed stitching. Cover closure comes in various forms from magnetic to stud depending on the design. The cover, however, helps to provide protection from the risk of scratches. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.